Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLSD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, crazy price action, but on top of that, you look down here and you can see well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. The first level of support that stands out is essentially the bottom portion of this consolidation phase. Yeah, the price made the big move up, then it pulled back, and the pullback essentially stopped right here around that area of the chart. So that's, kind of reveals where the buyers were hanging out at. And that area is right around $1.65, give or take a penny or so. So $1.65, that initial area of support to keep an eye on. In the event the price does not hold up above $1.65, next key level of support after that would be the 50-period moving average, which even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period and you know that that is a very famous level. So while I'm not saying that the price is not going to hold above that green line, if it doesn't, then yeah, the next level that you would immediately want to turn your attention to is the 50-period moving average. Right now valued at $1.60, but remember, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that value is going to move and change as the day plays out. Now, as far as where the sellers are hanging out at, so kind of hopping over to the other side of the coin, two main levels stand out. One more so kind of a shorter term level, and that seems to be right up there around the $1.78 give or take level. Just a general area of congestion right there. But the main level, and there's nothing fancy behind this one at all other than the fact that this is where the party stopped during that first 30 minutes, and that's up there at $1.90. But my point here is more so before we start talking about doing battle with $1.90 and breaking up above it, one step at a time, one hurdle at a time, and that initial hurdle that needs to be overcome, again, right down there at the $1.78 mark. All in all, though, great movement today, great volume. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.